In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PSD or AI files to HTML using Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Converting design files into web formats can be a game changer for developers and designers alike. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Figma account. Once you're in, navigate to the design area. Figma offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to get started. To find your way around, you can follow along with the helpful links I'll provide throughout this process. Now, once you've opened your design in Figma, your first step is to click on the Action menu. This menu is typically located in the top left corner of your screen. It's the hub for various options and tools that will help you with your project. Simply hover over it, and you'll see a host of options available for you. Next, type in Codia in the search bar of the Action menu. Codia is a nifty plugin that allows you to work seamlessly with PSD files in Figma. If you don't have the plugin installed yet, don't worry, you can easily add it via the Figma community section. Just search for Codia and follow the installation process. After you've got Codia set up, the next step is to click on Plugins and Widgets. This section is where all your installed plugins are housed. You'll be able to see all the tools at your disposal here, including Codia. Once you have located the Codia plugin, you'll want to click on Codia AI PSD to Figma, Import and Export Photoshop PSD. This will open up the plugin interface, allowing you to work with your PSD file directly in Figma. The functionality of this plugin is impressive, as it streamlines the process of converting designs into HTML-ready formats. At this stage, it's time to convert your PSD file into HTML. Depending on the complexity of your design, the plugin can handle multiple layers and effects, making the transition smooth and efficient. Just follow the prompts provided by Codia, and in a few clicks, you'll have a working HTML structure based on your PSD file. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your PSD or AI design into HTML using Figma. This process not only saves time, but also ensures that the integrity of your original design is maintained as you transition from design to web-ready format. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Mastering tools like Figma and Codia can take your design projects to the next level. Thank you for watching and happy designing.